Hey everyone, it's Ian here with Fluorescent, and today we're going to walk through a common question from our merchants: how to set up custom color swatches in your Stiletto theme. At least once per day, our team receives a panicked email from a merchant saying, "Help, my swatches are blank and I can't get them to show up." So we wanted to talk about the two ways to set up custom swatches, as well as some troubleshooting for common problems. First, let's take a look at how the default swatches work. If you have a t-shirt that comes in standard colors, for example, black or blue, your theme will automatically apply color swatches based upon those names. But what happens if you have color names that are unique, like Accrue or Citrus? Look on this product in our Vogue demo shop. This is where custom color swatches become handy. Now, before we get started, it's important to note that the feature I'm about to show you was introduced in Stiletto version 1.7.0. If you're on an earlier version, please find a link in the description and find out how to update your theme. All right, let's jump in. In your theme settings, custom colors can be assigned to each product variant using a hex code color. These custom colors will override any default colors. To find the hex code for the color you want, you can use an HTML color picker tool. We've included a link to the tool we're using in the description. When you choose your color, select and copy the 6-character hex code, including the hashtag symbol. Now, from your theme editor, navigate to the theme settings, and then click on the product section. In the custom swatch color field, we'll add the exact name of the option. For this example, Accrue, followed by a colon, and then followed by the hex code. For this example, we're using E9, E5, E0. To add more than one custom color, press the return key and add each color on its own line. Let's add citrus in there as well. Repeat this last step for as many unique colors as you need, and then hit save. Now if we take a look at that sunrise blazer, we're going to see those two swatches now appearing as we want. Another situation where you might find the need to use custom swatches is if your product uses a name that's in the default system, but the color showing isn't accurate. In this case, you'll need to create and upload a custom swatch image that matches your product variant name. You can see here on the product page that the color name is sky blue, but the swatch doesn't really match the actual product. The first thing you'll need to do is create a PNG image for your swatch. You can do this by taking a screenshot or cropping your product images. We've included some recommended tools for this in the description. We do recommend that your images are a minimum of 50 pixels wide by 50 pixels tall. Each swatch image will need its file name to match the variant name in your product admin. In our example, for a product named Sky Blue, we need an image with the file name sky-blue.png. It's also important that your file name is lowercase only. Once your image is created and saved to your computer, you can upload it to your files in Shopify. Head to Content and then Files to upload your custom image. You'll now see that the swatch color properly matches the product. Before we go, I wanted to touch on a couple other reasons your swatches may not be appearing as you expected. The first is in relation to shops that use multiple languages. If your site isn't available in English and French, but you've only added your custom swatch color or images with the English translation, when your customer switches to French, those color swatches will not appear properly. For example, to add a swatch in red, in English or French, you'd want two color files, one named red.png and one named rouge.png. Our theme then looks for those files within Shopify's files and adds the color swatch image to the variant of the same name. The second important thing to note is, unfortunately, Shopify is unable to upload files using special characters such as Arabic and Greek. At this time, we recommend switching the color variant to a drop-down instead of swatches. Hopefully this tutorial has helped you set up your swatches properly in your theme. But if you run into any questions, I've included a link in the description to contact our phenomenal support team who'd be happy to assist you. Have a great day.